But they
Allah.
have gone abroad because the lack of care from the government. So I want those smart people to come back to Indonesia and make our own social media and our own Google search engine, so that we can be independent and stop becoming dependent from America, from other countries.
Alright, this is one more question. If social media in Indonesia will be banned by United States, can you live without social media or not? Give your reason. Can you live without social media or not? Give your reason.
Yes, thank you.
Because nowadays every single head, every single neck, people in Asia totally need for social media. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's a hypocritical question. Hypocritical question because on the one side,
Hypocritical question.
on the one
Hypocritical
side,
question. Hypocrite.
I need social media on my daily
Hypocrite.
life, but in fact I can live without social media because I don't eat social media, right? I just eat rice. I just eat bread,
Bread, eat,
vegetable,
jacket,
fruit, water.
cat.
That's all. A simple question. Simple answer.
Alright, very awesome. Thank you, Mr. The Master Radio Indonesia.